Hi, it's Miss Kathy from Tuneful Teaching. I just finished a video showing you how we can use the Brain Gym strategies of Lazy 8 and Alphabet 8s to help kids who are struggling with learning how to write. And in that video, I did one letter at a time and I went straight through from A to Z so you can clearly see how the letters are formed. Quite often what I will do is do all the letters on the left side first, and then the letters in the center and the letters on the right. And it gets kind of all piled on top of each other, and it's kind of messy, but it's really mostly about the motor planning, and that's how we do it. So I'm going to share my iPad screen so I can show you how this works. Okay, so now we're looking at the iPad screen so I can draw. So I would first start with just doing the alphabet 8s. We usually do 5 in a row. And I'm going to do that in red so we can have a contrasting color. I'm going to go up, down, and loop around. Do, 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 up, down, and loop around, up, down, and loop around. Stop in the middle. Sometimes I would just do that as a warm-up and then do the left hand, and then I would erase those, and we would just start with one clean 8 to draw on top of. So that might be a good idea too. So I'm going to change colors here. We're going to start with the ones on the left side, and we have a song that goes with this called The Alphabet All Goofed Up. Here it goes. A, N, C, and D, and G, and O, and Q, and S. Start at the left for E, swoosh around and down, then to the middle for I and J. Now a little higher for L and T. Start at the same point, then curve and down for F. Back to the same point, then down and a hump for H. Start at the same point for K and B. Now it's N with down and a hump, then M with hump, hump. Down then up for P and R. Down then around for U, then V, and with W, X, Y, and Z. There it is. So it gets kind of messy, but it helps to do it on a really big board first and just to get the motor planning of it figured out. One tip that is a little bit helpful if you're on a dry erase board, which is what I would usually use, you can draw the alphabet 8 on with a wet erase marker, which is something like you would use with an overhead projector, if you remember what those are. And then let it dry real well, and then you can draw on top of that with a dry erase marker, and it will not disappear, so you kind of always have that reference point for kids who need it. Okay, next up, we are going to do letters that are tall, short, and the ones that have a tail. So there'll be another video for that.